Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the Maxwell's postulate or displacement current. So according to Ampere's Circuitous law, so what is Ampere's Circuitous law? Closed integral b dot dl is equal to mu naught I. So the magnetic induction in a small current element dl is mu naught times that of the current passing through that element. So then the line integral b dot dl divided by mu naught is equal to I. The quantity B by mu naught is called the magnetic field intensity denoted by H. Then the closed integral B by mu naught becomes H, that is H dot dl is equal to I. And here I is the current passing through that element. So we can write this current passing through that element as surface integral current density multiplied by ds, where J is the current density, that is the current flowing per unit area multiplied by the unit area ds. So this is the line integral of H dot dl is equal to surface integral of J dot dl. So in the left hand side the integral is a line integral, on the right hand side we are having the surface integral. So we will convert this line integral into surface integral by using the Stokes theorem. This line integral will be converted into surface integral as any quantity in the line integral will be converted into surface integral by taking the curl of that quantity, that is curl H dot ds. Line integral of H dot dl is equal to curl H dot ds. Then this equation will be converted into surface integral of curl H dot ds is equal to surface integral of J dot ds. On both sides we are having the surface integral, then we will get the surface integral of curl H minus J into ds is equal to 0, that is curl H is equal to J. So from Ampere's circuitous law we derived that the curl of this magnetic field intensity is equal to current density called J. Curl of H is equal to J. We know that the divergence of curl of any vector is equal to 0. So here we have curl H is equal to J. So if you apply the divergence on both sides, then divergence of curl of H is equal to divergence of J is equal to 0, because the divergence of curl of any vector is equal to 0. Divergence of curl of H is equal to 0 means divergence of J is equal to 0. But according to equation of continuity, divergence of J plus dou rho by dou T is equal to 0. So divergence of current density is not equivalent to 0. There may be some other term called as dou rho by dou T. That means this equation is not appropriate. So we need to modify this equation. So what is this equation? Curl of H is equal to J. So since divergence of J is not equal to 0, there is some other term to to be added such that divergence of dou rho by dou t is equal to 0. So there is some extra term. So this equation will be modified as curl of H is equal to J plus JD. So we have added another term called current density corresponding to displacement. Similarly, the divergence of curl of any vector is equal to 0. That is, divergence of J plus JD is equal to 0. So then divergence of J is equal to minus divergence of JD. Divergence of JD is equal to minus divergence of J. So from equation of continuity, the minus divergence of J is equal to dou rho by dou t. So here we replace this minus divergence of J with dou rho by dou t. Then divergence of JD is equal to dou rho by dou t. So from the differential form of Gauss law, we know that the differential form of Gauss law is divergence of D is equal to D is equal to rho. So here we replace this rho with divergence of D. Then this equation will be converted into divergence of JD is equal to dou by dou t of what is rho? Rho is divergence of D, that is divergence of dou D by dou t, where D is called the displacement current. Hence, divergence of JD is equal to a divergence of dou D by dou t. Hence, JD is equal to dou D by dou t. So we have modified this curl vector, curl of H is equal to J. So we have added the another term called as JD, that is curl of H is equal to J plus dou D by dou t. So this is the modified Ampere's circuital law. This rate of change of displacement D is called displacement current. This is the modified Ampere's circuital law and also known as the Maxwell's postulate. So divergence of curl of any vector is equal to 0, then JD is equal to dou D by dou t. From that we have modified the Ampere's circuital law as curl of H is equal to J plus dou D by dou t. So here D is called the displacement current. So we have modified the Ampere's circuital law from curl H is equal to J to curl H is equal to J plus dou D by dou t.